Welcome students to another class of computers. Today we are going to talk about a new chapter, that is chapter number 3, Advanced Features of Word Processor. So children's, MS Word is a powerful word processor with many inbuilt tools to format document. So in this lesson we will learn some more advanced features of MS Word. In class 4th, maybe you have learned about word processor. So in this class, we will see the advanced features. Okay, so let's start with what is word processor. Here you can see the symbol of word processor, that is W. A word processor is just a computer application that can be used to create a document. That means you can create a document in word processor. After creating, you can edit it. Edit means you can change it. That means you can add something or you can remove something from that document. You can format it. That means you can apply the styles, various styles to your document. After that, you can store it and then you can take a printout of that document. So mainly this word processor is used to create attractive documents. Okay, so what the symbol, it is also known as Microsoft Word, and we will do Microsoft Word 2010 in this class. Okay, so all word processors came with plenty of formatting features. That means whenever you will open the Microsoft Word, you will find lot of options. Those options are known as formatting features. Like you can change the style of your words, that is text. You can change the style of paragraphs, and which can create an attractive documents. That means you can change the color of the page, you can change the color of the text, and you can apply the different types of styles to your paragraphs also. Okay, so this is just the introduction of word processor. Now in this chapter, in today's class, we will study how we can select the text using mouse and selecting text using keyboard. So first of all, we are talking about how you can select the text using mouse. So in mouse, you all know that we are having two sides, left click, right click, scroll bar. Okay, so first of all, you have to go on home tab. That will I will explain today how you do the practical. Okay, so just click on the home tab. Home tab you will find on the after title bar. Okay, and then select editing group, and in editing group you have to click on select option. Here you can see the picture. So here editing group is given. In that you will find a select thing. So just click on the select, and then in select you will find a drop down menu. Drop down menu means a list. Okay, from that list, whatever option you want to select for selecting the text, just select on that, click on that. Okay, second point is, if you want to select the whole document, then move the pointer, that is cursor, to the left of any text until it changes to a right pointing arrow, and then just triple click on it. If you want to select a particular word, just double click on that. Okay, so you are able to select that particular word. If you want to select any amount of text, that means you want to select some text from the paragraph, then click where you want to begin the selection and just drag and drop the cursor with the help of left mouse button, and you are able to select the particular text. Okay, if you want to select a particular line, then move the pointer to the left of the line until it changes to right pointing arrow, and then click on that. If you want to select line anywhere, just press Ctrl key and click anywhere on the line. So like this, you can select the text using mouse. Next is selecting text using keyboard. If you want to select text using keyboard, just see this key, because with the help of these keys, we are going to select the text from keyboard. First key is shift key, and control key is also used, and then these are the arrow keys. Arrow keys are 4 keys, that is up arrow key, down arrow key, left arrow key, and right arrow key. With the combination of these keys, we are going to select from keyboard. Okay, so if you want to select the complete document from keyboard, not with mouse, from keyboard, then just press Control key and A. You have to press both the keys together. If you are pressing just Control, then you are not able to select. If you are just pressing A, you are not able to select. Just press Control and A together. Okay, to select one character, that is one word, to the right or left, just press shift and right arrow key, or shift plus left arrow key, wherever you want to select. If you want to select left thing, then shift and left arrow key. If you want to select right side, then press shift plus right arrow key. Okay, if you want to select a word from beginning to end, just place the cursor at the beginning of the word and then press right arrow key with shift. Okay, if you want to select a line from starting to end, just hold on the home key and then press shift and end. Similarly, if you want to select a line that is opposite of previous point from end to its beginning, just press end key and then press shift plus home key. Okay, and if you want to select one line down, then press and key and press shift plus down arrow key. And similarly, if you want to select one line up, then you have to press home key and shift plus up arrow key. You don't have to remember this, just read these things and try to apply on your document. Okay, so to select a paragraph from beginning to end, just move the pointer to the beginning of a paragraph and then press shift and down arrow key. And to select a paragraph from end to beginning, just do the opposite, press end key and then press shift plus up arrow key. Okay, so follow these points and try to select the paragraphs or lines using mouse and keyboard. So let's do some practical. Okay, laptop or computer. Okay, you have to go on search tab and just click here Microsoft Word, Microsoft Microsoft Word 2010. On this icon you have to click. This W is the symbol of Microsoft 2010. And if you are not finding it in search, just go to here in this area of search and then go to all programs and then go to Microsoft Office, and there you will find the Microsoft Word 2010. Okay, so I'm just clicking it here. Just click on that and you will find this type of window. This is the working area of Microsoft Word 2010. This is known as the title bar, red color. Okay, these are the tabs: file, home, insert, page layout, references, mailing, review and view. These are known as tabs. So we are on home tab, and if you will click on insert, then you are in insert tab. So we will work initially on home tab. Okay, this after home tab, this whole area is known as ribbon area. In this ribbon area you will find clipboard. These are the groups. What I have told you, this is the title bar. In title bar, this is the quick access toolbar, and this is the minimize, maximize and close button. Okay, after this title bar you will find the menu bar. So this is the menu bar: file, home, insert, page layout. These are the menus. And after menu bar you will find ribbon, and ribbon includes groups. Okay, so this clipboard is one group, font is another group, paragraph is another group, and styles are another group, and this editing is another group. So this is group, and these lines are known as ruler, vertical and horizontal, and this white area is known as work area. Okay, so here I am just typing some paragraph with a trick that I will let you know later. Okay, so here you will find these are the paragraphs. So now I am telling you how to select from mouse and how to select from keyboard. Okay, so if first is, if you want to select from mouse, then you have to go on home tab. This is home tab. Okay, in then you have to go on editing group. This is editing group. Okay, after going to editing group, just click on select. So here is the select. and then so you can select all. Just click on select all document is selected, and then click on select object, then particular object will be selected. Text with similar formatting, that means if I will unclick this, this is selected now. So just Control Z I am doing to go to that particular thing. So if you want to select same formatting, for example, I have applied this with the color and then I have changed its style. This is different style, this is also different style. I'm just I will tell you these things later on. Okay, so just go in there and making same format. This is same and this is same. So if I want to select the same formatting, then I have to go and select all and then click on select all text with similar formatting. So you will find that all are having the same type of formatting. So it is selected. Okay, click outside. Then from here you can select from with mouse, select and then selection pane. Okay, and then after that, if you want to select entire document, then move the pointer to the left of any text. So this is the text, so just moving left of the text, and then what you have to do is just click pointer here and let it change to a right side pointer, and then triple click. It is selecting this particular paragraph. Okay, so like this you can select the document. Okay, and if you want to select a particular word, then double click on that word. For example, if I want to select this directly, just double click on that word, it is all automatically selected. Okay, and if you want to click anywhere on the line, then just press Ctrl and click anywhere on the line. So I am just pressing Ctrl and clicking on anywhere on the line. So it will select line paragraph like this. Okay, so this way you have to select. So this is the process of selecting from mouse. Now I am telling you how you can select from keyboard. So from selecting keyboard, you have to focus on shift and arrow keys that we have already talked about. So just first of all, if you want to select entire document, then just press Ctrl key with A, then it will select complete document. Okay, next is, if you want to select one character means one word to the right or left, then you have to press the shift key with right arrow key and left arrow key. For example, if I want to select this change easily, then I have to click on shift key and then left arrow key, so it will select left part. And if I want to select on the right side part, then I will click shift and then right arrow key, so it will select the right side part. Okay, next is, if you want to select a line from starting to end, then you have to press home key and then shift and end. Okay, so just go on the word, particular word, like this. Okay, and then press home key and then press shift plus end. The shift and end key you will find on keyboard, so it will select this way the line. And if you want to select one line down, then you have to press end key, just press end key, and after the end key just press shift and down key, shift and down key, so downward line will be selected. And similarly, if you want to select upper line, then press home key and then just click shift plus up arrow key. Okay, shift plus up arrow key, so it will select the upper line. Okay, like this, with the combination of shift and home and key and home key, you can select with the keyboard. Okay, just practice this thing. If you are having any problem, then ask me. This is all about today's class. Thank you so much, students.